Corinthian Furniture, a Mississippi-based manufacturer of custom sofas and high-quality upholstered furniture, is known for quality and consistency. But as the business grew, their software systems began to fall behind. Managing a complex production process across cutting, sewing, fabrication, and upholstery, all within SysPro, Corinthian needed more than just an inventory system. They needed visibility. They needed accuracy. They needed control. Looking for an innovative vendor with deep SysPro expertise and a team committed to solving real operational challenges, Corinthian turned to TransLution. TransLution software was rolled out in phases over 2 years, delivering immediate value while building toward more advanced operational visibility. Phase 1 focused on outbound warehouse management, improving control of finished goods and inventory. As products move off the production line, embedded RFID tags are automatically captured, triggering serialized label printing and real-time inventory updates. Every unit is tracked, every order is verified, ensuring complete, accurate shipments every time. But that was just the beginning. Phase 2 introduced RFID-based tracking across Corinthian's entire manufacturing process, pushing beyond traditional manufacturing limits. Instead of tracking a single item, Corinthian tracks every component, from cushions to arms to decorative pillows. Each piece is tagged, monitored, and validated throughout production. At every stage, RFID checkpoints confirm that everything is present, correct, and moving through production exactly as it should. Even in a complex, fabric-heavy environment, TransLution engineered a solution that ensures reliable, consistent tracking. The result? A more controlled, transparent, and reliable manufacturing operation. For the first time, Corinthian has real-time visibility into work in progress, allowing them to identify bottlenecks and make faster, more informed decisions. Inventory accuracy is no longer a question. It's a certainty. Orders ship complete exactly as promised. And when customer queries arise, there's no guesswork, only proof. TransLution has helped Corinthian reduce disputes, eliminate unnecessary costs, and strengthen customer trust. By working side by side with TransLution, Corinthian now operates with greater confidence, stronger accountability, and a level of production visibility that simply wasn't possible before. TransLution software, turning complexity into clarity and operations into competitive advantage.